Gotta call Darian and wake him up. Morning, sunshine. You ready to trade or what? You're on YouTube. I'm just kidding. All right, bye. All right, guys, everyone that's in here, welcome everyone that just joined the live stream in here. We're going to be on YouTube today, so going to mute the mic here in Discord. Come join me over in on YouTube, all right? Good morning, Eddie, Kodiak. All right, come over here. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome, welcome. Good morning, everyone. This is freaking awesome to be back here streaming. I know we did the stock cast, but we're actually getting a trade again together here. since I've been back from Puerto Rico. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the TGIF live stream. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader at NewAgeWallStreet.com. We are primarily an options based trading community. But we do trade other things sometimes from time to time whenever the opportunities do arise. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Announcement stuff here. I hope everyone had a good trading week. I know this week is a little bit volatile. Things, kind of coming apart a little bit. I actually loved it. We got some momentum, to the downside. So it was actually pretty nice week here for me. But if you guys do have any type of trouble with playing the downside, I know that, when stocks go up and they only go up, it's really easy to, just buy high and sell higher. You know what I mean? So if you have trouble with the downside part of it, when you get some type of volatility, come sign up with us. So go to NewAgeWallStreet.com. There are discounts on the memberships right now. So if you want to come sign up and with us, and we'd be honored to have you guys. What's up, guys? All right. So today, what other announcements do we have? We don't have nothing really else here, guys, other than I'm back in Albuquerque. I'm back in the Trade Factory. Richard and Aaron were supposed to be here. They might stop in right before they open. So if you guys hear and see Richard and Aaron come in here in a little bit. What was the other one? That's it, guys. So let's go ahead and come on over here to our stream stuff here real quick. Let's go ahead and do some pre-market here, guys. I don't really have all too much as far as the pre-market stuff goes today. So yesterday we had a really nice sell yesterday of everything that was going on, and on the Qs, especially on the NASDAQ, was really heavy, all the tech stocks and stuff like that. So looking at the Qs, they are bouncing really nicely. So our area of interest that we're going to be looking at here today on this part is going to be, I didn't need the square. So get my price line here real quick. And so it's going to be about this 309, 310 area right here up to the pivot point. So if we get up to this level, this is where we're going to make a decision if we continue going up or we're going to reject and come further down. So you can see also as well here, the SPY is moving pretty aggressively to the upside as well too. I don't want to get caught up in something that's moving up though, and then it kind of rejects and then comes further down. So I'm going to be patient at the open to take any type of positions. I'm not pressed. I'm having a really good week so far, first week of March. So I'm not feeling pressed to press the gas at all. We have non-farm payroll. Oh, the non-farm payrolls are doing pretty good. What to know about Dave Portnoy and the new buzz? Social media ETF. Private payrolls for February, 465,000 versus 200. I don't know, dude. I don't know about any of that stuff, but I do have buzz up over here. All right, guys. If you guys got any tickers or anything you guys want me to go over them, red or green day today, not sure, dude. Right now we're looking very bullish here. On Fridays generally we do have like where things tend to slide off. This is really strong right now. So I want this to get up here into the supply right now, and then show that it's going to have enough demand in order to break through. If it starts rejecting up here, then it'll come further down. All right. It's a money bias day. There we go. AMC today. I don't think so. So let's talk about this AMC and GameStop here real quick. So on AMC, this is not going anywhere very fast. So this is I would say this is set up worse than the GameStop is. I like the way GameStop is actually set up a little bit better. Still, this $11 line right here, this is where you have to get above in order for you to get any type of squeeze for this to go. All this is just noise, so you have to play intraday in here. if you're going to be playing, AMC. So it's not anything worth swinging as of yet. It has to get over the 11, dude. So that's for AMC. And then on GameStop, I caught this quick little pop yesterday. And then if you take a look here on the bigger time frame, you can see where this is screaming compression right here, and it wants to break to the upside, and you can see the nice uptrend here so far. But lots of bag holders up here, guys, that anytime it pops up, it starts selling. And if you come and you take a look at the open interest right here, the 150s. The 150s are the 6,700. So the market makers that have sold those, the option traders that have sold those, are going to do everything they can to keep the price below 150 today, so that those expire worthless and they make their full premium money, right? So keep an eye on that here on GameStop as well. But on the macro, like if maybe next week, maybe it'll get going a little bit more aggressively. So, but we'll see. All right, on that one. And now I want you guys to, so Zoom has this area right here that I've been talking about. So this area right here, that's a gap, and if we come lower, that we're going to fill this gap and come down to the 300. But the thing is that if you guys are looking at tickers that had relative strength yesterday, as compared to the rest of the market, Zoom was actually one of them for whatever reason. Right here, when it's first sold, it just kind of came and held the PDC area, compressed, and then went up. This was a really nice move. And then this is an algo right here that someone turned on here to walk it down into this liquidity again right here at this the PDC. So now it is pushing up, so it may be a little bit choppy for the move to the upside here, but we do have some room for it to get to like 355. All right, so keep an eye on that. Also keeping an eye on Tesla. So if we could get like a little dip and then go on Tesla, that would be nice. And then there's other setups to the downside too that I'm wanting. Like if we start selling pretty aggressively, like on Roku, if we start breaking below this 335 and then 350 area right here, we have this huge gap right here that we could fill on Roku. And then I also have WKHS. So WKHS right here, if you take a look on the macro as well, let me see here. So this is the neckline for this move up from the gap up right here. I believe this was last year. So if we start breaking below 1320 to 13, then we have this huge gap down to $5. So looking for it to break down and do that. MSTR. All right, so same thing, MSTR. It's going to have this pretty nice support right here, right? So previous resistance, new support right here, down to 600. If it breaks the 600, there's all this volume down here, kind of going sideways. So, but if it breaks that, then there's the gap down here to like 358. So, if I come in, I put the chart like this with the volume profile, right? So you can see like it kind of filled this gap area right here where it's getting into this higher volume nodes and up to the 500. So it may get a little choppy going, down here to the 500. And then once it breaks the 500, there's this low volume area right here. There's this little gap where this can continue going down. But so far, as far as like, that's just technically. So this is a Bitcoin sympathy ticker. Yeah, so Bitcoin, right now, Bitcoin, dude, I thought it pulled off of that 50,000. Yeah, so it came off of that 50,000. So, yeah, not too much strength going on right now here on this MSTR. Is volume low to anyone else? Like the volume for my microphone? Okay. Yeah. So, like I said, not too pressed to take anything right at the open or anything here, guys. We'll let, stuff kind of develop a trend, and then we'll go from there, okay? Trying to play Tesla today. Yeah, so we may get a move up. So 650 is going to be the line on Tesla, though. So let's look real quick at the open interest on Tesla. Here today. 650, 6,000 right here on the call side, and then 4,000 right here. So yeah, they may try to keep it below 650, dude. But definitely above 635 right here. You see, or 630, excuse me. So 630. So they're going to want to keep it above 630. So, yeah, we're already at 630. So Facebook is looking strong as shit right now. FUTO, FUTU, MRO. Oh, that was the oil, right? Yeah, this is definitely a chase now. I think we talked about this. I don't remember exactly what the whole plan was, but this right here, dude, this holding the 11 was nice. I mean, you could still play this kind of like as a breakout. So like, you know what I mean? You would have to use like $12 as your stop. Damn, it's at 13. Yeah, I mean, you could play this on the momentum for the dip and rip. Just be really careful. Like, don't give it too much room because it can definitely pull back. So, but just intraday, if you're trying to play dip and rip and you get it going, I mean, you could play the momentum. How do you get to that window on Flowago? This one? This is the main window. Well, if it isn't Mr. Make His Own Hours. What's up, guys? Good morning.
What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
How do you guys come and set up like with 10 minutes to the bell, dude? I would be stressed out.
What do you mean?
Huh? I couldn't do it.
You could, bro. Try it.
No, I have done it.
You haven't hired somebody to set up your shit yet?
No, dude, like they don't want to come at 6 in the morning.
Isn't that what you had that Arian guy here for?
Arion? Yeah, he quit.
He quit? What do you mean?
I don't know. He hasn't been here.
T-Mobile?
Yeah, well, I don't know, dude. He said he was going to come and he just hasn't come.
He's doing big things at T-Mobile, bro.
Yeah. Alberto, good morning. How do you get to that window on Flowago? This is just the main window on Flowago, bro. Right here on the dash. So you just hit dashboard and this is it right here. SOS. FUTO. Let's do FUTU. Today's going to be your day there, Richard.
What?
Everything's looking bullish AF.
I know. Yesterday was red as well.
I know. This was my day. FUTU right here, brother. This is getting down to the support right here in this level. You can see where this is previous resistance right here, right? About this 128. So 128, I would be looking for the bounce here around this area. If it starts breaking down, then just it's a no trade. But if it bounces, and then you could see this continue go the other way. This may take a little bit to set up and go sideways and then go up though. You hear black box is better than Flowago. I think it's I think it depends on who you ask. Is black box better than Flowago, Richard?
I don't think either of those are better, but they both pick up different stuff.
See?
Once you go black box, you never go back box.
Stupid.
Black box is cheaper, but I don't like it doesn't have voice alerts. There's voice alerts for equities.
Yeah, so it depends who you ask, dude. I prefer Flowago. I actually, yeah, so I advocate flow algo, especially if you're a newer trader too. If you do play expiration. Yeah, great question. So if you're playing options here today, guys, make sure that you're using next week's expiration, unless you're willing to risk to zero. So if you buy a contract when you risk to zero, so say like you buy it for $800, you're willing to lose that $800, right? So or else the theta is going to get you if you buy something and it doesn't have enough momentum today, it will eat you up.
There's the office chair right there next to it. Eat your ass.
Oh, there's this chair.
Grab that chair.
I like standing up right now.
You don't want to sit at the desk?
Oh, bro, I'm good. I'm on a couch, got a laptop.
This
coffee. I put on a Ralph Lauren shirt this morning. And it looked like I was wearing that fucking child's shoes when I put this shirt on.
Wait, what? There we go. Sorry, I guess my mic came unplugged. My mic came unplugged. Sorry, guys. Yeah, flow algo is just a tool, dude. You gotta know how to use it. It's not a end all be all type tool, dude. It's part of the equation and part of a puzzle piece for your system, dude. You can't rely on it 100%. The cat kicked the audio cord. Yeah, dude, I came in, I sat down, and I pulled it.
How do you trade without jazz music?
Bro, you could put music on. As long as it's away from the microphone, that's fine. And I keep talking so that it can't pick up that it's an actual song.
If you play instrumental jazz music, dude, I think you'll get away with it.
You think so? Let's play lo-fi music because I think that... let's see.
What are you playing here? Fire.
Miles Davis, bro.
Here's the Miles Davis. It's not like a jazz class, bro. This is like instrumental fucking hip hop, dude. These are like those free songs that they have on YouTube when you monetize the video.
Yeah, that's what I did. I did lo-fi.
I can never have a YouTube channel. I say way too much bad stuff to be monetized.
It's not bad stuff.
Within 5 seconds.
Can you check out... Can we get a P&L after the stream?
No.
You want to see my P&L? You show me yours, I'll show you mine. Is that a deal? X US Steel, right here, bro, right on the 1653. So this is signaling pretty nice compression here to go sideways right here, dude. So I like this to hold, and then and if it could break up, that'd be pretty nice. But it needs to stay above the 1625 or so. You want to buy Tesla, but don't know when? I mean, they're on sale. If you go to the dealership, you could buy them. Aaron really came with his coffee house music, bro.
That's jazz, dude. That's my whole thing.
This oh, the stock he wants to. Oh, buy it at your trigger on the system, dude. I'm not gonna tell you when to buy it. If that's what you're asking for, if you're asking for an alert on when to buy it, I'm not gonna tell you when to buy it. You're in the wrong channel for that.
Tesla looks good on like a 15-minute and a 10-minute chart.
Yeah, it's good so far, dude. If it actually holds, you have confluence of the So if we're looking at Tesla here real quick, guys, we have confluence of the PDC and this pivot here in the same area. So right here in the 622 to 621. So if we get a dip down to this area, I'd be looking for the bounce then to go up. Feel like you're in an elevator? Yeah, Aaron's DJ today, dude.
Who said that?
Charlie.
Charlie has no class. He lives in Canada. What do you say is wrong with jazz music, bro?
I gotta go in the Discord and see what the people are saying.
I know Charlie's probably saying that in the YouTube channel.
Everyone's giving you shit in the chat here, Aaron. They're like, I'll be right back, shopping for dress shoes and a suit. Any buzz on Buzz? No, no buzz on Buzz, dude. And the thing about it is there's no options on Buzz yet. So we'll see though today, dude. If everything starts perking up, it should actually run pretty wild, Buzz. So. All right, we got 2 to the bell here, guys. Let's have a great trade session. Make sure you're using your stop losses, mitigating your risk, and take profit at your relevant levels, guys. Don't turn a big winner into a loser, right? And then Amazon should set up pretty nicely for you too, Richard.
Anything other than jazz, bro? It's trade goddamn nothing, man, or what?
All the kids nowadays, they probably traded it like EDC. Like
What? Darian would wake me up with some like crazy electronic music out there in Puerto Rico.
Oh, bro. I'd have to punch him right in the dick. That shit was
Snow. Snow looking pretty strong here, brother. But we have all this volume right here that it needs to get above from yesterday. On the macro as well, yeah, it's only getting up here. There's a ton of supply up here, dude. So it needs to stay above this 250 and start working through the supply. If it rejects, though, it may reject this 255, 254-ish area. That's one thing I want to point out, guys, is whenever you're making a trade plan, make a thesis for each way. So where you feel that the trade will fail to the upside, your area of interest, and then where it may fail to the downside as well. So then you're cognizant and you're aware of where to actually look for things. FSR might actually be pretty good today, too. Ring.
Tesla looks like it's gonna shit itself at the end. Step down or have to. Whoever's talking about Tesla better not buy it.
What do you think about traded it? I don't know what that is. Traded text? I don't know what that is, bro. If you want to explain it to me or give me like a website or something, I'll take a look at it though. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. On which one? Yeah, we went over MSTR. Or do you want me to review it after we're done trading here in a little bit?
It's got a long whip with a little body, dude.
Voice alerts on.
These guys are nuts back here. All right, Tesla 625.
PLTR. 23 puts. March 12th, 2021. 501 contracts.
Dude, you wanna see what I'm gonna put the little body for the apple?
Is that one?
It is like a fucking. It's like a $2 wick. It's like a 3-cent candle.
All right, let's see here. So need to wait a little bit to get this trend and check. Everything's kind of pulling back here so far. Apple's actually pretty strong.
Dell. 90 calls. December 17th, 2021.
What's up, hi man?
500
Welcome,
contracts. WTRH. 4 calls. March 19th, 2021. 733 contracts.
So if Tesla does the crossover play to the downside, then I will do that, I guess.
Here's what's driving you right now.
Yeah, it's probably not tech stocks right now.
It's okay, we watch Amazon, fucking Tesla.
Oh, it's just down here now. All the tech stocks. You probably see it runs like 10 minutes, and then they're all like.
It's really good.
Riot.
Tech, they're on media.
65 calls.
Okay.
March 19th, 2021. 521 contracts.
Should be on their media laws rather than.
It's an option analytics type service, flow algorithm, but more on the analytical side. Yeah, I hear of a lot of like stuff coming out like spot gamma and things like those, which is really cool. Those are cool, type tools.
Should have told us to bring you coffee, Dad.
Dude, I was gonna stop and bring coffee like I did last time, and last time you guys brought coffee, so I didn't know what to do.
Lack of communication.
I know I suck at life.
65 calls. March 19th, 2021. 997 contracts.
You trying to go get thrown out of a pizza place later, Aaron?
Sure. That's what I look for. I got an email back about that. About them.
No way. What did they say?
Oh, they were addressing the issue with the ownership.
Hey, 'cause remember he put in the complaint?
Yeah.
Play with the 88, right?
INTC. 61 calls. March 12th, 2021. 700 and fail. 18 calls.
See lots of
March
Tesla flow.
19th, 2021. 600.
I don't have any Tesla yet.
12 calls.
Up or
January
downside?
21st, 2022.
Few down.
1,000 contracts. Go go. 11 calls. March 19th, 2021. 923 contracts.
All right, so here comes so I'm in the crossover play here on Tesla, guys. So Tesla came crossover the PDC, went up and tested it, and then I got in there at the retest. So here on the 1 minute. So it came right here, crossed over the PDC and the pivot, came back, retested. It said no way. So I got in right here. Big, so there's like 10 points right there.
ABNB. 210 calls.
If we get another pop-up here, maybe, where's the VWAP? 619? Yeah, so a pop-up to the VWAP would be freaking nice to reload on Tesla. If the SPY doesn't catch support here. So you see right here at this 379, about 39, where it's trying to hold support. Ooh, nice slide off there.
1006 puts. April 16, 2021. 1095 contracts.
So this buy might get back down to this line right here. Bum, bum.
LAZR. 25 calls. March 19th.
No, that's the inverse of the
2021.
Qs.
1000 contracts.
SQ is square.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna switch this here, guys, over to the other screen. So if you guys are newer here, this is actually my chat right here from our Discord, so you could see them call stuff out and everything. And then obviously you still have the screen share here on this other
June
side.
18th, 2021. 500 contracts. CLNY. 4 puts.
There we go. Spot sell in here.
2021. 500 contracts. Go go. 11 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1566 contracts.
This was just a bad channel, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you looking at anything specifically?
I'm watching Tesla, but I'm not getting on it right now.
Once I say I'm done with it, then Richard will take it.
Yep. Because you're on puts on it.
Yeah.
Pick up all my calls.
Yep. I'm gonna sell them to him.
So it looks like it's gonna flip now.
So,
Well, it's making a triangle right now.
Things are selling here, guys, but you could definitely see that there's buyers stepping in on the steps down here. So I'm taking profit at every little level. It's like I said, I'm not trying to make any type of home runs here today. Just building a paycheck. So there it is, Richard. This is gonna be a reversal candle probably.
oh, I know. I already see flow coming through on that's what it's called for. That's what the spide's gonna do right here.
It's a triangle on
Netflix. Oh, damn, boy. The juicy one. Let's see what it does.
Base in your hand for sure.
NIO. 45 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500 contract. ORCL.
I see tons of apples.
71 calls.
Oh man, we broke 600.
2021. 500 contracts.
Apple flow for calls.
Yep. It's lots of it.
AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 600 and TSLA. 700 calls. March 19th, 2021. 400 and AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 343 contracts.
If you guys see tickers, you want me to go over here on YouTube, guys, call them out. I'll go over them with you guys.
TLT. 130 puts. August 20th, 2021. 5,407 contracts. F11 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,697 contracts.
Mm-hmm.
What are you looking at there?
I'm still watching Netflix.
RLGY. 15 calls.
Broke that 5
September
Bruh,
17th,
Amazon broke 3,000 and also those pivots too. Amazon's gonna go down
7:38
crazy today.
140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 2001 F11 puts.
Is that a fib or
March
contract?
19th, 2021. 1,703 contracts. F11 puts. March 19th, 2021.
There's a Fibonacci line right there.
1,244 contracts.
You correct where it's at.
How are those derived?
Off of like a bunch of weird math shit.
Aaron just asked how do Fibonacci's derived, and then Richard said off a bunch of weird math shit. Don't even worry about it. Use it.
Yeah.
The guy was like a mathematician.
How things are basically. Yeah. It's not just access. Don't worry about it. It's physics. Physics is science.
It's math. Read a fucking book,
5
dude.
calls. March 19th, 2021.
RKT.
750 AAPL. 140 calls.
Well, dude, you know that.
June
You have to
18th,
check out
2021.
fake meat, bro.
900 AZN.
Wouldn't be a tree.
50 calls.
Fake meat.
July 16th, 2021. 1,500 contracts.
RKT, dude. We should see some type of reaction right here at 26 even.
It's a slow fucking start this week, bro.
Just everything's down.
What are you talking about? I'm up like 30 points on Tesla.
Because you own the tree puts.
Well, so I'm gonna get out right here at 600, guys. It's holding up here pretty well. You could have it, Richard. Richard's gonna nail it to the PDC for 20 points now.
It's still right. Same channel, though.
Yeah, it's gonna hold right there.
I would love for it to get up to VWAP at 612. Reject off there for the re-up. We'll see. The SPY is right here also at the pivot, so there's the confluence of support at the same time on Tesla, and then also the SPY being at support at the same time. So that's where we're getting this bounce here from. So if we hit resistance at the same time as well here on Tesla as it does on the SPY, it should reject. So we should get this 611, 612-ish area of rejection here.
How small waist looks compared to how it was looking.
NIO. 45 calls. March 12th, 2021. 943 contracts.
Again, you stop working things.
Or that they could take this entire pair of pants.
LAZR.
Like, and still wouldn't fit.
20 puts. March 19th, 2021. 360 PSTH. 30 calls. March 19th, 2021. 504 NIO. 45 calls. March 12th, 2021. 900
Oh, look at that there, Kodiak. Dude, 26 on the dot there on RKT, bro.
WTI. 5 calls.
Off that tip.
April 16th, 2021.
Oh, these are dope, bro.
1,179 contracts.
Blue on that 50831 on Netflix. The purple is what? What's the blue one?
AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 2,142 contracts. BUZI. 14 puts. March 19th.
BUZI.
2021. 500 contracts.
If someone could come slam the bid on WKHS, I would be freaking appreciative. Kathy Wood over here spending fucking 500,000 RKT Amazon.
Getting sideways now. This little tiny bounces and sideways.
AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th, 2021.
If Tesla starts putting in compression against the 600 guys, I'll go long. And I may miss it right here if it breaks above this 606 or so.
140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 1,009 contracts.
Isn't that what's called like a reverse bear flag right there in Tesla?
It is a bear flag, yeah.
PTON.
But it's about to break
90
out.
puts. April 16th.
There it goes.
2021. 2,500 spot. 375 puts. March 8th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
You know, another thing about Black Box I don't like, Cruz, is it doesn't follow SPY option flow.
It doesn't? There's people that still sign up with it on my affiliate stuff. I get a paycheck off of it, and I don't promote it like as heavily as Flow Algo.
AAPL.
But
140 calls. June 18th, 2021.
so this is what I'm looking for here on Tesla at this VWAP, guys. Let's see.
I think it's gonna be
KMI. 17 calls.
No, the SPY's too heavy, dude.
September 17th, 2021. 500 contracts. QQQ. 310 calls. April 23rd, 2021. 1,064 contracts. AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th.
Order filled, order filled.
2021. 605 contracts. AAPL. 140
If SPY
calls.
starts breaking this 378 and then the pivot right here, guys, we're going to go for a ride to the downside.
517 contracts.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
XLE. 51 puts. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 1,000.
There's that sell there on the SPY. So if it breaks this pivot down, the next part is PDC, then we'll get probably down to lows where we had yesterday.
I was gonna keep that one that break. That bear flag. And then take out my puts.
TSLA.
So like a reverse.
590 puts.
Down here.
March 5th, 2021. 100 and CHPT. 23 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Yep. So it's 500 bucks, 1,700.
Oh man, do you think Tesla gets to 550 today?
Yeah.
Getting in and out, or there was nothing moving. It's just barely moving, really. That's how Netflix looks. It's fucking.
C65 calls.
So on Tesla, we should come up and test 600 and then reject 600 now.
1,055 contracts. HIG. 55 calls. April 16th, 2021. 696 contracts.
It's gonna call that too, just fucking not today expiration date shit.
Yeah, it's on Friday, so not by next week's expiration.
Yeah.
Like update it. We tried to make a push.
C65 calls. May 21st, 2021.
Ooh, big pop up here on
944
Tesla.
contracts. LAZR. 17 puts. March 19th, 2021. 700 LNC. 60 calls.
Yeah.
April 16th, 2021. 505 UNM. 30 calls. April 16th, 2021. 1006 VLDR. 10 puts. April 16th, 2021. 899 contracts.
There we go. There's the SPY breaking down even more there. Broke that pivot. Here, guys. WKHS. Yes. Yes, you fucking piece of shit. Send us the note. So if you subscribe to the channel and then you put the bell, hit the bell button, it'll tell you when I go live, dude.
This is making the channel
TSLA.
Down to what though?
625 calls. March 5th, 2021. 1000 NCLH. 32 calls. March 19th, 2021. 501 contracts.
Yeah, so I'm in Tesla puts off the crossover on the PDC right here at 621. I took profit on one account at 600, and then I got another one here off the bear flag.
UAVS.
So just chilling now, bro.
5 calls. April 16th, 2021. 1,100 AAPL. 140 calls. June 18th, 2021. 12,000 AAL. 22 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,045 contracts.
My order.
AAL. 22 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts. WFC. 50 calls. January 21st, 2022. 902 contracts.
You could tell when the market starts coming apart that my bearish side of shorting small caps comes out, dude. Like I do really well with it.
Order fill.
Took some more Tesla right here, guys. You guys could probably hear. not PVC, so we're not talking like plumbing. PDC, so it's Paul Delta Charlie. So prior day close. So that's the price that the ticker closed yesterday. Prior day close price. Sorry if it came off rude. I'm not trying to. I'm not. I wasn't trying to be rude. I'm sorry
HP
if it came off that way.
calls. April 16th, 2021. 985 contracts. WTI. 5 calls. March 19th, 2021. 750 contracts.
We need some Usher memes in the chat, please. Alexa, please play "Let It Burn."
Let It Burn by Jasmine Sullivan.
Oh, that's the wrong person.
Oh, dude, that sounds so much better.
Are you trading a real account, Aaron?
No.
No. How's it going?
I'm just watching and deciding what I would do so that I'm not in real time. Paper accounts are behind.
Richard say that there's call flow on Tesla, dude, but they may be hedges. So someone may be like short the stock, and then they're trying to hedge out with some equity. So it doesn't necessarily matter, dude.
T28 puts. March 19th, 2021. 2,500 contracts.
Can YouTube people see your Discord chat?
Yeah. Not pictures though. They for some reason. Yeah, for whatever reason, pictures don't work.
March 12th, 2021.
So I have the S1 right here, guys. The S1 right here on the Tesla. If we start breaking 580 right here, guys, we're gonna get going very, very aggressively to the downside on Tesla. So they're gonna protect this area here with everything they got. So as you can see, this huge bounce so far.
60 calls.
Oops.
April 16th, 2021. 517 contracts.
This is Tesla.
Yeah.
So at 580 is where everything's at.
Dude, don't sleep on Amazon. Amazon's gonna lose this channel right here and go to like 2400. Watch.
NK. 129 puts. March 19th, 2021. 500
Sharks have been up in the market? Not necessarily. I don't like that. And this is just my personal opinion. When something goes against you, doesn't necessarily mean that it's manipulation. I'm seeing that a lot, like on the Facebook groups and Wall Street bets boards and stuff. That anytime it goes against you, it's manipulation. It's not, dude. There was a report here of better than anticipated job report. So the job report was actually really, really good. So yeah, but that was the reason it went up in pre-market. But overall sentiment right now is very, very bearish, man. I just buying sneakers here. I'm trying to buy J as well, so I could resell as I'm making money trading. You guys want anything?
What are you talking about?
Buying sneakers.
Buying sneakers? What sneakers?
These are dark curry dunk highs.
You don't need to be wearing those.
Why not? You said you're gonna buy me boots. I'm still waiting for those.
We are adults.
Says the guy wearing Yeezys with boot cut jeans.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. My boots are in my backpack. Don't worry.
That's funny, bro. All right, so SPY found a little bit of support here below the PDC. So if you have bearish positions right now, watch for the reversals, all right? So especially once we get closer to the top of the hour. Yep, we're right at the top of the hour. Here comes the reversals. Are you? 600s? Those are going to move fucking fat, dude. They're probably cheap as fuck right now.
April 16th, 2021. 500
Wish I could buy puts on the sneakers app. Dude, I've never heard anything more accurate. I never win, bro. I never win anything on this fucker.
XLF. 31
Like 3
puts.
pair of shoes in a day.
April
I bought 'em resale, though.
1,000 contracts. XLF. 31 puts. April 1st, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
I'm pretty much done trading for the day here, guys. I made my money here on Tesla to the downside. Three different accounts. So I still have my swing on for WKHS. It's being a piece of shit. It can't break 1350. So I'm still up. They're printing right now. If Tesla catches this bid right here, it's gonna rip.
XLF. 31 puts. April 1st, 2021.
Give it a Tesla call.
9,991 contracts.
You letting that tracker pull this up?
GDXJ.
Everything's just
44 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Dude, honestly, the SPY is kind of a piece of shit right now, dude. Like, it can't even get over this 378. So you can see in pre-market right here, this is where it rejected, and then this is where it's having a hard time now. It was also support right here, right at the open where it bounced. So
LAZR. 17 puts. April 16th, 2021. 500 contracts.
yeah, thank you, Pedro. So that's the big area right there, that 580. Anything under that 580, we're going probably pretty quick to 500.
March 19th, 2021. 1,111 contracts.
Yeah, is that what it is? The VWAP? Yeah, 378 is the VWAP right there in the SPY. So good call on that. I didn't even realize the VWAP was right there. I don't have a VWAP line on my chart. I just have it as a label. So it keeps my charts a little bit cleaner. That's the intent anyways, but then I go and put all kinds of lines everywhere.
NIO. 55 calls. May 21st, 2021. 700 contracts.
Oh, here we go. Nice little pop up. Nice trade there, Darian. Nice trade. I don't know, Charlie. I think he may
12 calls. March
he may wipe
19th,
out all this stuff. Watch this,
2021.
dude.
500 contracts.
Awesome, partner. Awesome, awesome, partner.
Is the SPY pushing past you up?
I had 600 puts at the open, and then or excuse me, I had actually let me take a look here. I forgot.
210 contracts.
So I know I got 600s on one account, and then the other account I got
March 5th, 2021. 100 HYMC. 7 calls.
620s at the open, dude.
20th, 2021. 2,000 contracts.
Did Darian just milk the SPY for a fucking $1, dude? That was pretty fucking dope. I ain't gonna lie.
XOM. 60 calls. July 16th, 2021. 500 contracts.
MSTR. Do you have a position in MSTR? P&L? Yeah, I'll show you my P&L here in a second. Actually, you know what? If you follow me on Twitter, I'll post my P&Ls on Twitter for you, okay?
JMIA. 35 calls. April 16th, 2021.
Or actually, I don't think, I just don't want to show my account number.
20 calls.
I don't think, yeah. So here on this account, 1,200 on those Tesla 600s real quick. I think I only got like 2 contracts. And then I got my WKHS swing right here. So that's those. And then on the other account, I made like 600 on that one. So on the smaller, this other account,
15 puts.
I could show you
March
these.
19th, 2021. 506 CCJ. 15 puts. March 19th, 2021. 520 contracts.
Right here. Let me pop this out.
SOXL. 37 calls. March 19th, 2021.
So then here's the other account right here, brother.
calls.
I had cut the 625s here really fast at the open.
520
I believe I tried to go long actually on the at first. Took that as a paper cut. So it got 620 to the downside and then 600 again. And I cut these actually pretty quick right at 600. If not, they would have printed fucking fat down here at the 580. So that makes it what, like $2,200 on the day or something like that. So not bad.
WTI. 6 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,100 WTI. 6 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,024 contracts.
Yeah, there's tons of supply up here at this 380, bro. I can't even get over 379. This VWAP is being a piece of crap for it too. So We'll see though. I actually like the bullish thesis more than the bearish today, to be honest. But
2021. 657 contracts.
yeah, if you're trying to G check me and saying that I don't show my P&L or I'm not actually trading or whatever, guys, it's not gonna happen. You could check me anytime you want, and I'll show you my stuff. I'm not like other guys on YouTube or FinTwit or whatever. Yeah, I was waiting for the reply on MSTR if you're in a position on it.
CCJ. 15 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts. CCJ. 15 puts. March 19th, 2021.
Thank you, brother.
804 contracts. ALGM. 25 puts.
That's a good question, dude. I don't know. I don't think so, but I don't know.
500 ALGM. 25 puts. March 19th, 2021. 600.
You going to Puerto Rico with me next time?
24 calls.
Going to Puerto Rico with me next time?
26, 2021.
I think in the winter I want to go, dude. Whenever it's cold here,
CCJ.
go out there when it's warm.
Like 10 months from now.
March 19th.
Well, yeah, but I mean, we could go next week too. I'm down to go next week if you
1,000
want.
contracts.
Was it nice or what?
It was fucking dope, bro. I really enjoyed it.
15 puts. July 16th, 2020.
And I think you would like trading in that room with everyone. It was really cool.
Oh yeah?
Darian's worried that I'm not going to take him if I take you to Puerto Rico with me.
Hold up.
Nice rejection of that VWAP right here on the SPY here, guys. So that gives me full-on confidence that we're going to have the rest of the day probably, unless we get any type of positive catalyst, that we're going to have probably a very bearish day today. And then Tesla's coming back for that 580. Like I said, dude, if we break that 580, we're probably going to go 500 pretty quick. I had posted the WKHS swing on Twitter. Did anyone take the the WKHS downside swing? Are there any chicas in PR? Oh my goodness, there were some baddies everywhere. Heck yeah, and then Tinder and Bumble were popping like that was shooting fish in a barrel, bro. It was nice. No one wears clothes anywhere.
93 calls. March 12th, 20.
I know. I set up Darian fat. He's like, oh, one of the waitresses at the one of the restaurants we were. He's like, I really like her, and then I got her his Instagram. Like I got her number, everything.
15 puts. March 19th, 2021. 520 GS. 327 puts.
Did they restrict calls on GME? I don't think so.
2021. 4 UNM. 30 calls. April 16th, 2021. 2030 DNMR. 25 puts. March 19th, 2021. 2008 WFC. 35 puts. March 12th, 2021. 1000 AHT. 2 puts. April 16th, 2021. 572 DNMR. 25 puts. March 19th, 2021.
I kind of want to take 550 lottos on Tesla.
3 contracts.
Risk to zero. You like that on RKT, brother? I'm glad we kept you safe. I know you're drooling at the long side for another re-up for it to run up. I'm glad we kept you safe and on that one. I didn't get selected for the damn shoes, dude. I lose every single time on this thing, dude. There has to be a way to win. How are you down 343 on the day, dude? You wanted a short Tesla. Tesla's down 20, 40 points. This guy.
That was a bear flag on Tesla.
Bro, you got Arion fucked up on those pills last time, bro. He was going 100 miles a minute, bro.
It was hilarious because he was an ADHD.
I know.
I took one and I was like calm and way.
Chill, bro.
Took one, he was gone, bro. You antagonize him too, bro.
WNC.
What was that story again?
2
Tell
points.
me again.
July 16th, 2021. 500 contracts. SPC. 32 calls. March 12th, 2021. 795 contracts.
Put this on high.
I like this double bottom here on Tesla, brother.
This is Apple.
We got a J-Lo booty going on Tesla.
Think it's gonna push back up or what?
Let's see.
Does it look like it?
Well,
Apple or
I'm watching Tesla. All of them are kind of doing the same thing.
Yeah, annotate your chart. Let's take a look at it, brother.
Tesla's been squeezed for what?
A lot.
How many is that there, Pedro? 70,000? There's 70,000 shares there on the bid on
2021.
580 Tesla, dude.
500 contracts. BST 19 calls.
Oh, there was a GME pump? Fuck, I missed it.
1,507 down. 42 puts. March 19th, 2021.
Oh, they're going to try to go for that 150 today. We're kind of just ranging right here right now, guys. We got to make a decision where we're either going to break over this 379 or 376 here on the SPY. Same thing with a lot of these tech stocks, Zoom, Amazon, Tesla, excuse me, ranging to the side right here until we make a decision. Honestly, my boy uses bots, dude, but like I don't think you could put bots for the draws, right? Like you could do them for you could do them for the purchases, but not the draws, I don't think. Can you?
Sneakers app won't let you.
Yeah.
Try to take chances once, bro. It's way easier.
Trying to resell them again.
What?
Trying to resell them again.
You don't check out too hard.
Yeah, GameStop is going to try to go for it here, guys. Honestly, if you wanted to take some GameStop Lotto 200s or 175s, bro, and risk to zero, I wouldn't be mad at you.
Calls. June 18th,
But you have to risk to zero on them, guys. You guys got to realize the risk involved in that it is a lotto. They will try to do everything to keep it under 150. You've been having luck getting Yeezys the last month. I haven't gotten any Yeezys, dude. Benefits of the lotto plays are that the premium is very, very inexpensive. So I'll show you guys my training option chain right here. So if we come over to GameStop,
One calls. August 20th,
come on.
2021.
So you come up here.
1,500 contracts.
You come up here to the 150s. So what? Say the 150s first. These are $500 right now. $520, $570. But if you come up to the 200s, these are only $1.68. So you're risking so you're buying a lotto ticket for $160, and these could rise exponentially because of the Vega and the today's the expiration date. If these start moving very, very aggressively, this premium is going to move very, very aggressively. So you could get thousands of % on the move today. If it starts breaking, high, 150 and highs, this will move very aggressively. So we'll keep this on track. Oops, I'm over here flashing you guys. We'll keep this over here in track. All right. We're gonna get a big old fuck you candle to the downside here on Tesla. Watch.
XL 16 calls. March 19th, 2021. 733 contracts. REF. 3 calls. March 19th, 2021. 503 contracts.
So just remember these are $1.83 right now, right? So we'll keep track. Oh, dude, GameStop's gonna do it, guys.
Go. 11 calls.
I'll pick up 2 of them here just to show you guys.
2021. 672 contracts. Go. 11 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,750 contracts.
All right, I have an order out there for the GameStops, guys, but I don't think the spread is kind of big. I may not get filled.
BIDU. 220 puts. March 19th, 2021. 253 contracts.
Order cancelled.
Well, what the hell? This WKHS, if it breaks $13, buddy.
BIDU. 220 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,662 contracts.
Order partially filled. Order cancelled.
Who's that Frenchman that you got on there? He's English. It's a
sir, dude.
NIO. 50 calls.
Sir Jeff
April 16th, 2021.
Still with the service over there?
842 contracts.
What accountant?
Put the Tesla chart on my screen? Yeah, we could do that. Sorry, dude. So I got filled on those GameStops here, guys, at
Sono. 30 puts. April 16th.
210. So fucking shitty ass fill, but whatever. We'll see see what they do. So like so I only got one of them. Whatever, dude. I'll just doing it to show like the movement on it. So
IWZ. 202 puts. March 12th, 2021. 500 contracts. AAPL. 112 puts. March 19th, 2021. 500 LESL. 20 puts. April 16th, 2021. 600 contracts.
I put in for a Tesla trade, but then canceled it.
You canceled it or they canceled it? I canceled it. Did you take Tesla on the way down or on the bottom?
And a little range.
It's just been one big channel to the end.
Isn't it down range?
It's funny to watch its back needs cross like fucking. Just keeps like hanging around itself. You can guess like that at the office. This is the camera cluster. She's got a video on for it. That camera cluster got the angle desk like that. See, that's the video of that one. How it is broken down. How that will be like a lot.
So I have 4 of them for the office.
It's funny that we talked to her about Ron's pay. It's like, well, and now he's just there now.
Yeah, I'm good.
Everything I do, it like 2 or 3 weeks.
here comes the slide off on the market here, guys, on the spot. Watch this, like I said, this big candle to the downside here on Tesla. Once it breaks through and eats through those shares at 580, dude, I wouldn't be surprised if there's a $10 candle or so. Yeah, just plain GameStop, dude. Just my taco money for today. We'll see if it does it, dude. Even if I get 100% on it, dude, that'd be cool. $200 or so. The fuck is that?
BZ. 56 calls. March 19th, 2021. 9005. CCL 25 calls. July 16th, 2021. 732 contracts. BZ. 56 calls. March 19th, 2021. 10,001 contracts.
Oh, there we go. We broke there on Tesla. I'm ready to go eat, dude. Can we go to Mimi's Cafe? On the 25?
You wanna go all the way to Mimi's, dude?
Or some, dude, I don't know, somewhere.
Bro, you better go somewhere where you're not gonna get us kicked out.
I'll wear a mask.
Yeah, you're already done trading for the day.
I just have my swing on, dude, and I have,
What's the expiration on your swing? Was it next Friday?
no, March 19th. So if I get 75% on my WKHS, I'll roll it over to a lower strike. Cash secured put on cost, so you're betting to the upside? I like it, dude. I like the idea, dude. See, I'm up like 33 bucks on this GameStop fucking LOL. Oh yeah, for sure, bro. You sent me a DM? Oh.
BIDU. 210 puts.
PLTR is like fucking jumping off a cliff right now.
919 contracts.
BUZZ has jumped off a cliff too, dude. This thing was 26 bucks yesterday and now it's 22.
That Amazon run a while ago with the nice thing about it. Like, earlier today. I'll channel down back into that channel now.
Here comes GameStop, guys. This is the moment of truth. We gonna get over 150? I'm gonna put GameStop right here, all right? So now they're $3. Those lottos I took at 200.
CCL 52 calls. January 21st, 2022.
Yeah, I got filled on GameStop, dude.
Contracts. TSLA. 700 calls. March 19th, 2021. 335 contracts. CCJ. 14 puts. March 19, 2021. 1,134 contracts.
I'm already up 50% on these GameStops.
5 calls. March 19, 2021. 800 contracts.
It's funny that when you guys walked in, Richard, you asked where the music was right away. Me and Darian got yelled at for having music over there in Puerto Rico.
You got yelled at?
Yeah, well, not yelled at, but they just asked us to not have it and stuff.
2021.
They just serious, like
519 contracts.
How many people were trading?
too many. Well, no, I mean, like one dude was trading a $20 million account, and then they have a fund that they trade that's $5 million. So like, I get it, dude. You know what I mean? But it's like totally different than like our style, where like we just fuck off and like.
They were trading a fund in there though?
Yeah, they're trading. They have a fund there on the island, and so they're like, "Can you turn that off until after hours?" And I was like, "Fuck." Close.
$20 million contract?
Yeah, he made 14 million on WKHS.
I tell
On
you guys
that.
to get the fuck out, dude. That's why you're on WPHS now.
No. He made it on that. What he was, he got in on the halt resume when the news came out that Oshkosh got the contract, and he hit it like with everything. Well, he hit it with as much as he could.
TSLA.
And
You're on WKHS long right now?
710
What?
calls.
no puts.
March
At what?
8,
What are your puts at?
2022.
What do you mean, like my expiration, my strike?
Yeah.
I have 12s.
40 calls. March 12,
It's still going
2021.
down. It's still pushing that direction.
500
Yep,
contracts.
it's doing pretty good. I like it.
95 puts. March 19, 2021. 597 contracts.
What do you do after you make $14 million? Do you just like walk away and go grab a coffee, dude?
No, and then he was 10. No, then he was 10,000 shares short on Tesla at the same time. So 10,000 shares short at above 700. That's 700,000, brother.
Do you just like nonchalantly just like
He was on, and everything was on equities, right? Because they're not trading.
Yeah, he didn't, and he was old school, bro. He didn't even have charts. He didn't trade with charts.
What did you trade with?
Just level 2 and no montage.
he was just using tape reading?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
That's it.
That's how a lot of those guys are though.
50
Yeah.
puts. October 15,
I don't understand.
2021.
Just like
590 AAPL. 125 calls. April 16, 2021. FCX. 36 calls. May 21st, 2021. 1,000 spy. 368 calls. March 8, 2021. 500 BAC. 36 calls. March 12, 2021.
And then on that fund that they were trading, they were getting fucking worked. Like, that fund that they were trading.
that $5 million fund?
Yeah, so like one of the dudes that was managing it, because like Tesla would go down, right? Then it would catch that support and fucking rip. So they were doing good selling those calls, and then it would rip back up. And I was like, well, how bad was your loss? And he's like, like we kind of don't talk about that unless you say it out freely or whatever. Like you don't ask, but you could tell or whatever. And so I was like, over 6 figures? He's like, well over 6 figures. I
April
was like,
16,
no fucking
2021.
way, dude. Like,
612 contracts.
Backwards as fuck on it every single time it moves.
yeah, so like, I mean, they would do really, like, because they make money off of the lack of volatility.
Yeah.
And so the volatility was fucking screwing them. So. Ooh, GameStop did poke over 150 here, guys. Oops. I need that taco money too. That's what I'm talking about. I need some of that asada, none of that ground beef, bro.
Bro, if you go to Federico's, you can get the asada for the ground beef price.
Oh, this dude.
Blacks. 16 puts. April 16, 2021. 4,200 GSAH.
I'm gonna put this right here. I'm covering up the flow for you guys. Sorry about that. So I'm just keeping track of the 200s right here that I have.
40 calls. April 16th, 2021. 2,000 contracts. Flags. 16 puts. April 16th, 2021. 5,000 contracts.
I think Kathy is buying here at 13 on WKHS. This freaking piece of shit, bro.
I don't know what happened.
Just watch you get it. It's funny that because the kids are not there all the time, like she's closer with Frenchie than like her brothers and sisters sometimes. That's crazy. But I follow her everywhere.
Really?
She'll give me the cabinet. There's a good cabinet where it holds Tupperware. She'll take all the Tupperware out and get the cabinet.
I don't like. I mean, I did it when I was growing up because it was cheap. Like, you know what I mean? Like that would be what my mom made. But there was a restaurant out there in Puerto Rico. They did that. They're like, oh, we have beef, and I was like, okay, cool. Like, I'll get the carne asada, and they're like, oh no, we have ground beef, and I'm like, are you freaking kidding, dude?
Just a ugly shaped china. Explode up, dude. Straight up to the very left.
Is it the Liberace line I heard you?
Those are Liberace, like all of letter A. Let's go bounce off with
CHGG. 75 puts. March 19th, 2021. 858 contracts.
Tesla bounce here?
I don't even have Tesla up right now. Ooh, Tesla did bounce off of that level.
Should have hedged your fucking WKHS with a little scalp on that up move.
Nah.
Just a little scalp.
Bruh, I have 20 contracts of this, and then my max loss is like 1,700, so I'm risking the zero on those.
What is WKHS?
Workhorse, they build, well, they're trying to get contracts for electric vehicles.
Nice little up move though. 40% move on $13.
Yeah, ARKK is probably getting shit on right now, dude. Is it ARKK, right?
April 16th, 2021.
Yeah, this thing is
400 NIL.
down 6% on the day.
April 16th, 2021. 900 contracts.
It's in the channel. So it was doing the exact same thing as Tesla, but just not as big.
Tesla's more like the family trend.
FSLY. 60 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,022 contracts.
15 minutes we gotta call.
Bruh, you're probably got just shaken out on that watch. We'll see right here, Darian.
SDC. 11 calls. April 23rd.
Motherfucker, Armando, I apologize, dude. That
550
sucks.
contracts.
Let me know when you're gonna buy something else though, so I could short it. Thank you, dude. Thank you for being a cool sport about it.
11 calls. April 23rd, 2021. 570 contracts.
My GME lottos here are down $15 now. We lost $15 on it.
NEPT. 2 calls. March 19th, 2021.
SPY breaks 375 right here. We're going down to lows from yesterday.
92 calls. April 16th, 2021.
Boom.
1,028 contracts.
Even this Buzz ETF. This Buzz ETF is going to be the shortest ETF life of anything, dude. It's already at 22 bucks.
April 16th, 2021.
Might as well put this thing on the OTC.
NCLH. 29 calls. March 12th, 2021. 1,106 contracts.
If we break 140, I'll just take the L on. Yeah, if we break 140, I'll take the L on GME.
Most 30 calls. March 12th.
Twitter took a beating today too.
1,300 contracts. STLA. 17 calls. June 18th, 2021. 545 contracts.
My thing popped up. My thing popped up like a thing that told me that it wouldn't do it anymore, but it did. It said it was canceled, and then it did fill it. So I don't know what happened there, dude. Yeah, we need someone with some deep pockets to run this the equity up on GameStop.
NFLX. 530 calls.
Ooh, nice little pop on
May
Netflix.
21st, 2021. 1,106 contracts.
Since I never have luck when I go long, I'm going short. I like that idea, bro. That's that money bias. Can't make money going long, so I'm gonna go short.
NFLX. 530 calls. May 21st, 2021. 260 contracts.
Yeah, that 140. You see what I'm talking about, right? On GameStop. So this is the previous resistance that we had earlier. It's gonna act as support here on GameStop. Oops, come on, dude. So right here, and this is also where it popped up to yesterday as well. So this should act as support right here now because previous resistance. If it starts breaking below this, then you got to get out. So we'll see if we could get some more accumulation and make another move up.
NFLX. 530 calls. May 21st.
Some big and Netflix calls coming through here, guys. 530s.
44 contracts. XLF. 31 puts. April 1st, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Nah, not looking good here, brother.
MRS. 25 calls. April 16th, 2021. 1,000. BWA. 45 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500, NFLX. 530 calls. May 21st, 2021. 3,095 contracts.
Oh, there goes Tesla breaking up there, Darian. So good move on your part there.
XOP. 92 calls.
It's kind of breaking up right now.
April 16th,
Yeah, things are finding support.
2021. 959 contracts.
Everything breaking up, but still showing its tweets.
Yeah. Some of them are coming out though. AMD just came.
No, GameStop. What's up, Romero? I see you in the chat. Phil, I see you in the chat. What's up, Kimmy? Yeah, absolutely, dude. It's just, I mean, the trade actually on its own, dude, is down 40 points on the day, bro. So you're kind of buying a breakout, you know what I mean? So it's to be expected. It's a good trade, though. You guys should go to the district tonight. What district? Are you thinking we're still in Puerto Rico? We're not. I'm not in Puerto Rico no more, brother. You mean the La Placita? The Park District? What Park District, dude? Oh no, yeah. See, that's no. We're not in Puerto Rico no more. But we went to the Placita. That was sick, dude. It was sick, like how it's just all open air. It's outside and stuff. You just walk up and grab your drinks, and everyone is dancing, and that was pretty dope. It's pretty dope, dude.
501 contracts.
Yeah. So, yeah, but we're here. I'm back at home now. Thank you, brother. Hope you guys are able to get some of those callouts. You could have literally sat there at the 150 on GameStop and got filled right there, and for 10 points to the downside right now. We'll see if they're able to buy it back up right now, though.
We have just tonight, this afternoon. Bring sugar.
Huh?
You bring sugar.
Fuck no. Did you?
No. I'm out, so I'm gonna
MRO. 15 calls. March 19th, 2021. 2,300 IRWD. 12 calls. May 21st.
Yeah, I would love to go to whenever I live in Dallas. I'll be going to Puerto Rico more often, dude. It's a direct flight, so it's really nice, man.
We can heat up on these options.
Hmm?
We can heat up on these options.
On this bear flag right here, Darian, this would have been a good spot right here for your puts, but I don't know how you feel about them the premium price here, dude, so just be careful. Here we go again on GameStop.
PTON 85 puts. March 12th, 2021. 640 ORCL. 70 calls. April 16th.
By the way, is there a way to know which ticker that will go sideways intraday so they can be avoided? No, not at all, bro. If I had that, I'd be a gazillionaire, bro.
530 calls.
He said, is there a way to know which ticker will go sideways intraday so they can be avoided?
15 calls.
There's not, dude. All you have is like the overall market. You look at the SPY and the Qs, and generally the tickers are gonna follow which way the general market is gonna go. So if the SPY and the Qs are going sideways, then your other tickers are gonna go sideways.
March 12th, 2021. 906 contracts.
Dude, GameStop, if it gets over this pivot again, guys.
ATOS. 2 calls. July 16th, 2021. 885 AA35 calls. April 16th, 2021. 965 contracts.
Like Facebook right here, Kimmy. Facebook is just absolute piece of shit today. Look at this just going sideways, bro. That's a headache for an options trader on a Friday. Dude, this Amazon's gonna go down sick here in a second. Watch.
April 16th, 2021. 2,900 contracts. BAC. 35 puts. April 16th, 2021. 1,800. TIGR. 17 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,013 contracts.
Everything, all the money's flowing from tech over here to GameStop. Everyone buy GameStop. Slam the ass for me, Richard.
Just got a real Wall Street bets over there, buddy.
Slam the ass for me. I know you got them $1 million accounts over there.
PLTR. 23 calls. April 16th, 2021. 500 and AAL. 19 puts. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Time to stop trading.
You don't tell me what to do. I'm just joking, dude. I'm just joking. Because like everything is selling and GameStop is going up. Like that's a joke. Don't take that serious. Yeah, so that's what they said. Next week stimulus may be signed, so that'll be really nice, dude. Here comes WKHS again.
Mu. 86 calls. March 19th, 2021. 2,900 and BIDU. 210 puts. March 19th, 2021. 635
I'll probably be on here for another 15, 20 minutes or so, and then gonna hang out here with Arian and Richard, and we'll do here within like 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna do like a morning review, a morning recap, real quick, and then for the new guys in my room, after I'm done on YouTube here, I move the screen share over to the Discord, exactly like we do Monday through Thursday. So you could still see the flow algo and everything, all right?
KO. 55 calls. May 21st, 2021. 708 contracts.
I like that idea, Josh. I don't know if you can hear me or not. No worries, dude. No worries, Kevin. I had seen your thing yesterday too, dude. I got busy on some work stuff we were doing, so I'll respond to your DMs here in a little bit. All right, so let's do a quick review here, guys. This is what I do with my room every morning around 11 o'clock Eastern. We do a mid-morning review of the tickers and the plays that had happened. Real quick here on the SPY. I thought the SPY was very, very strong here right in pre-market. And then I was not expecting this weakness right at the open here, dude. And then especially with it holding here in this area. So you had 1, 2, 3 minutes right here, and this fourth minute where it was trying to hold this support. I thought it was going to hold and then rip back up, and it didn't do anything like that. So once I seen that the weakness here in the market, and then also on the VIX, right? So you got to keep the VIX up here to measure your volatility. The VIX is going to show you which way the market is wanting to go, and you could see this big ass spike right here, right at the open on the VIX. So once I seen that here, I was looking at Tesla, right, and we had this nice pop up here right at the open, and then I was worried about the move up. Like I wanted it to move up right when it held the PDC right here. I bought. This is the wrong day. There we go. I was like, why does it say 650? Right here. So when it came down to the PDC area on the first, it tried to bounce like on the 1 minute. I missed on that one, so I just took the loss on that one. So once it tried to bounce, so it tried to bounce right here. It failed. I got out, and then what I did is I waited for the crossover. This is our crossover play. It crossed over the area of interest, the PDC and this pivot, came back and retested right here as resistance, and then you could go ahead and load your boat right here at 621. And then, dude, 621, and then if you're able to hold your balls all the way down to 580, that's on one contract. That's what, 40 points. That's $4,000, right? on one contract. Yeah, so 40 grand on one contract if you're able to hold all the way through that. And I believe we still have some further way to go. So we may get to 550 and even 500 if the market keeps on sliding off. So keeping track of that. Oh, see, there's that big oak. Damn it, dude. I wanted another, so from up here, from here in this level, just to let you know, in this S1, the pivot right here, I wanted to pop up at least to like 600, 620 again up to the PDC to reload to the downside, and it didn't get me. So once it had already had all this, I can't chase it and reload on these little things here. I can't get any decent size, especially on a Friday, being an options trader. So all I have to do is watch it now at this point. So with that being said, then a lot of other tickers did the same thing. If you take a look at Roku, we had pointed out Roku in pre-market as well. Same thing. It broke this pivot line, came back and retested twice, gave you even a second chance to be able to get in. So your entries right here at 355. Then you're taking profit at the S1 here at 336. So that's like what 20-point move. Yeah, 20-point move. On Roku, and then the same one with NVIDIA. Basically all the NASDAQ tech stocks and stuff, guys. So crossed over, came, retested, and then you're just chilling here on NVIDIA. And then the same thing on Amazon. So you could kind of take your pick as to what your account is able to afford. This one was a little bit bigger, so crossed over, came up to the pivot, reload right here, and then you're just chilling line to line right here on Amazon. So those were the basis for my trades here today. I didn't take anything bullish other than the GameStop I have right now. So GameStop's still trying to break above this pivot. We'll see if it gets some volume flow through here in a second. I don't want to sell it because then I can't buy anymore if like it does start to run in a little bit. So like I said, it's risk to zero. Also have my WKHS here swing. If you guys go take a look, have the timestamp for WKHS. I think I called yesterday, the day before. So basically what I'm looking at is for this big ass gap to fill here. If fucking Kathy could stop buying here at 13, if we break this 13 here, this is a big level, then we're going to come down very quickly down here. My target is $5. So if my what do you call them? My puts get to 75%, I'll sell them and then roll them over to a lower strike. I have 12 puts right now for March 19th. All right, so that's my plan on that I have open. I'll show you here real quick again my P&L here before I dip out. Right now it's a little over 2,000, including everything. And then on the other one, I haven't taken any other positions. It's still 600, okay? So I like the 3 minute the most, dude. I like the 3 minute the most. Yeah, we need some volume on GameStop. And here it comes, dude. GameStop is just grinding. It may do it, dude. I have fingers and toes crossed here.
March 19th.
All right. Do you guys, anyone here on YouTube land, have any type of questions? VIX is about to break up above highs of the day right here, guys. So we may see a pretty nice slide off here on the SPY and everything else. So like on, also like on Tesla, this Tesla's beautiful, dude. Beautiful downside play. Any other questions though from you guys before I go? I do like switching to a bigger time frame once I'm in a trade though, to help me stay, to help me to smooth out the price action for me to stay in the trade. Yeah, I think Darian, you said Tesla did it. I think what you're used to those small pullbacks on the smaller tickers. On these bigger ones, the ones that are a little bit more volatile, bro, you got to give them a little bit more room to breathe just a little bit.
Snap. 70 calls. October 15th, 2021. 980. Snap. 70 calls. October 15th, 2021. 500 contracts.
A minimum amount to follow your room. So, I mean, you could join my room for free. So we actually have a free membership for my room where you could see everything that we're calling out, where all the paying members are calling out tickers and stuff like that, so you could follow along and be able to ask questions as well. So you could ask questions and stuff for free. But if you want to upgrade your membership to be able to watch me live stream and call out trades like this every day, that is it's only like, I think it's only $60 a month right now, or you could pay $2.99 for lifetime. Which if you find a better value than that, dude, please let me know, because I mean, most of my guys make back their lifetime membership within their first couple trades of being with us. So minimum capital to like fund an account, I would say $2,000 would be the minimum I would start an account with. Knowing what I know now, being experienced, I would not start with anything less than $2,000. And I would expect to lose that $2,000. I would expect to blow it up, to be honest. See, there you go. Thank you, Kodiak. Yeah, Kodiak's been doing pretty good. He hit 6 figures. Yeah, he hit 6 figures on one trade, and I think we've kept him pretty safe on RKT. So
1,220 LMND. 90 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
cool. I'm gonna dip out, guys. You guys have a great weekend. We have Stockcast on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern here on YouTube. That's free too. You come and we'll make a game plan for the week. We'll see how the futures open on Sunday night and make a game plan. See if there's any type of stuff on there. I would not advise holding anything over the weekend. If you're gonna hold anything short, we may get stimulus news, because we got stimulus news last Friday, and the market pumped up a little bit over the weekend. So just be aware of that. Study session for everyone here in my room, guys. We are gonna do it. I think 1 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna do study session tomorrow. Okay. So mark your calendars and stuff. But I'll be here in the chat for my members. So you guys here on YouTube, you take it easy. You guys have a great rest of your day. Okay.